Good day, guys. My name is Tutor ICC, and you are welcome to ICC Maths Tutorials. Today, we are going to be continuing from where we stopped under fractions. Under fraction in our last class, we were able to treat the application of BODMAS, and we were able to take a lot of examples. Today, we'll be treating word problem involving fractions. When we talk about word problem, we mean problems or questions that are given in statement form, and you are expected to translate these statement questions into numerical questions. The ability for you to translate them correctly into numerical questions will enable you to solve the right answer or to arrive at the right answer. If you are unable to translate them correctly, it shows that you will be solving the wrong questions, and ultimately you will end up with the wrong answer. That's what problem is all about. We are going to be taking some examples. Now, the first example we'll be taking will be what? 3 boys shared some oranges. Now, if the total number of orange is unknown, you can represent the total number with any variable. Most of the time, we always use what S to represent the total quantity of the item that is mentioned in the question, if the total number is not given to you in the question. Now, let's go. Solution. Let's start from the first part of the question. 3 boys shared some oranges. Do you know the total number of oranges? No. We represent the total number of oranges to be, with S. You say, let the total number of oranges be equal to S. Now, the second part of the statement says that the first received 1/3 of the oranges. That means the first boy, there are 3 boys. The first boy received 1/3 of the total orange. First boy's share. First boy's share is equal to 1/3 of the oranges. And what is the total orange? S of the orange. There's an invisible over 1 here. 1 all over 10 of S all over 1 of in fraction also means multiplication. And anytime you are multiplying fractions, you use the numerator to multiply the numerator and the denominator to multiply the denominator. Now, the numerators will multiply themselves. 1 times S will give us what? S. All over 3 times 1 will give us what? 3. That means the first boy's share of the total orange is equal to S all over what? 3. Okay? Now, what they say? They say the second received 2/3 of the remainder. Now, how do you get the remainder? Take note, the total orange was what? Was S. And the first boy has collected his own. If the first boy has collected his share, how do you get the remainder? The remainder will just simply be what you subtract the first boy's share from the total orange to give you the remainder. Now, you say the remainder after the first boy's share, the remainder is equal to what? The total orange minus what the first boy collected from the total orange, which is what? S all over what? 3. There's an invisible over 1 here. What's the LCM of 1 and 3? The LCM of 1 and 3 is what? Is 3. 3 divided by 1 will give us what? 3. 3 times S will give us what? 3S. This minus, you bring it here. 3 divided by 3 will give us 1. 1 times S will give us what? S. We are going to have 3S minus S. That means 3S minus 1S will give you what? 2S. All over what? 3. This will give us the remainder after the first boy has collected his share. But they said the second received 2/3 of the remainder of this remainder. The second boy received 2/3 of it. That means second boy's share is equal to 2 all over 3 of the remainder. What's the remainder? 2s all over what? 3. Now, you are multiplying the two fractions. The numerator multiply the numerator, and the denominator multiply the denominator. You are going to have 2 times 2s will give us what? 4s all over 3 times 3 will give us what? Will give us 9. That will give us what? The second boy's share. What do they say again? They say if the third boy received the remaining 12 oranges, that means after the first boy has collected his share, the second boy has collected his share. What was remaining was just 12 orange. That will give us, the third boy collected it. That that will form his share. Now the third boy's share is equal to 12 oranges. 12 oranges. Now, what are they asking? They say, how many oranges did they share? That means they are asking you to find the total number of orange, to find the value of S. How do you do this? Take note, when you add what the first boy got to what the second boy got and to what the third boy got, you are going to have, everything is going to be equal to the total orange they shared. Therefore, what's the first boy's share? The first boy's share is equal to S all over 3 plus the second boy's share, which is what? 4S all over 9 plus the third boy's share, which is what? 12. Or everything will be equal to what? Will be equal to what? S, the total orange. Now, what do you do? Just collect like find the LCM of the denominators, and use to multiply through. What's the LCM of 3 and 9? The LCM of 3 and 9 is what? Is 9. Multiply everything by what? By that 9, which is the LCM. So now become what? 9 times S all over 3 plus 9 times 4S all over 9 plus 9 times 12 equal to 9 times S. 3 here will give us what? 3. 3 times S will give us what? 3S plus 9 will cancel out 9. You are going to have 4S plus 9 times 12. 9 times 2 will give us what? 80. Put down 8, carry 1. Give us 108 equal to what? 9 times S will give us what? 9S. When you have something like this, what do? You collect what? Like terms. So now become what? 108 equal to 9S. This 3 will come to this side, become minus 3S. This 4 will come to this side, becomes what? Minus 4S. You are going to have 108 equal to 9S minus 3S will give us what? 6S. 6S minus 4S will give us what? Will give us 2S. Divide both sides by what? 2. 108 divided by 2 will give us what? Will give us 54 equal to what? S. Therefore, the total number of orange the 3 boys shared is equal to what? Is equal to 54. And which option satisfies this answer? It is what? Option B. Now, this question was gotten from JAMB 1986, question number 6. That's the answer. In our next class, we'll be taking more examples. And don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms and our YouTube. Please subscribe to our YouTube, like our videos, share our videos, and God bless you. Thank you very much.